rare May cyclone developed in the Coral Sea on Sunday. On Monday, Tropical Cyclone Anne, and we can see it here, this massive thick cloud on the satellite image, was tracking towards the Queensland coast. But just how unusual are May cyclones in the Australian region, and have we ever seen one making landfall? Let's have a look at the data. We'll start with a graph showing the frequency of tropical cyclones by month over a 40-year period. You can see they peak between January and March. That's when we see most of them. That number drops off in April to about half what we see during the peak, but there's still a handful there. You can see there on the right-hand side in May. In fact, between the years 1973 to 2016, altogether in Australian waters, there were 18 tropical cyclones. So they're actually not that unusual. But here we go. Only 2 have ever made landfall in recorded history. We almost had a third back in 2015. Tropical Cyclone Kwong caused some damage around Exmouth, but weakened just below tropical cyclone strength prior to making landfall, only by a few hours though. The last time technically we had one actually making landfall as a tropical cyclone was 1989, Tropical Cyclone Mina, which was moving west from the Coral Sea across Cape York Peninsula, a very similar path to what we're seeing from Tropical Cyclone Anne. And there was only one other occasion where we had one making landfall, and it was a year before, 1988. Tropical Cyclone Herbie made landfall around Shark Bay and caused some damage. What's remarkable about Herbie is the date. It's not early May, it's the 21st of May, only about 10 days from winter. But that's it. Out of all the tropical cyclones in recorded Australian history, only 2 of them have ever made landfall in May.